What's up, YouTube? I said, let me stop doing these voiceovers and come talk to y'all face to face, period. Vshow hair. Let me zoom in on them. Vshow hair sent me this bomb, bust down, pink root wig. Y'all know, ever since Arrogant Tay did the pink roots, the green roots, ever since Billie Eilish been doing it since back then, everybody wants this look. And y'all know I hate dyeing hair. So when Vshow hair reached out to me and they told me they have it already made, I said, ugh. So let's do a little unboxing. Let's show what the girls got. Okay, new couch, see, no shade. Got a little cute little manual, she's pretty. Let's get to what y'all really want to see. I'm so excited, y'all. This is my first time getting this type of pre-colored wig. So anytime I get a new style, a new color, I'm just excited. Like, and this is transparent lace. That was Gabby telling me she gonna be like, let's unbox this bust down, y'all. Stop playing with Vshow hair. So this is transparent. Is this lace HD? No, it's transparent. Is this lace pre-plucked? No, but it's not that thick, so I shouldn't be plucking for too long. With color hair, I do like to pluck a little bit more than I would with black hair, just so that way we can make sure it's giving scalp. But yeah, so I think we're gonna do side part. What y'all think? I think we should do a side part, or do y'all think we should do a middle? We're gonna figure it out, but I'm about to go pluck it and then we'll be back.